In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to motion track in Kapwing. Motion tracking lets you attach something like text, a sticker, or a shape to a moving object so it follows along naturally. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable workflow that keeps things simple while giving you smooth, professional-looking results. First, open Kapwing and start a new project. Upload the video that contains the movement you want to track. Give it a moment to process. Then drop it into your timeline so you can see the frames and scrub through the action. It helps to preview the clip once to spot where the object starts moving, speeds up, turns, or slows down, because those are the moments where you'll be placing most of your adjustments. Next, add the element you want to follow the motion. This could be a sticker for fun, a text label for clarity, or a simple shape or overlay. Place it on the canvas and size it so it neither overwhelms the scene nor becomes too tiny to read. Think about where it should sit relative to the object. Often a corner or a clear, high-contrast area works best. Now select that element and enable motion tracking via keyframes. In Kapwing, look to the right-hand sidebar and click the diamond-shaped icon. That icon toggles keyframe or motion path mode, which is how you tell Kapwing where your element should be at different times. With keyframing on, align the element with your object at the first moment you want it to stick. That sets your starting position. Move the playhead a bit forward in the timeline to a point where the object has clearly shifted. Reposition the element so it once again lines up with the object. Kapwing creates a new keyframe and automatically interpolates the movement between those 2 points, making the element glide from one position to the next. Continue this process throughout the sequence. Add keyframes where the motion changes direction, accelerates, or decelerates. If the overlay drifts off the target during playback, pause near that spot. Nudge the element back into place, and a new keyframe will refine the path. Small, frequent adjustments in fast or complex sections typically produce smoother tracking. As you build the motion path, scrub and play back to confirm the element feels anchored to the object without jitter. Keep the element's placement consistent so it reads as intentional. When you're happy with the alignment, you've successfully motion tracked your overlay in Kapwing.